Hi, this is teacher Carla from Camglish.com. Today, we will study the Essential Grammar in Use 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. This is the continuation of our lesson last time under Unit 40, and the topic under that unit is how to use I am and I don't. Okay, so let's continue now. We are on part C. Okay, so we use do, does for the present simple. Okay, so you can see how to use do, does in Unit 6 and 7. But now let us review how to use that in expressing yourself here on Unit 40. Okay, so the first one is I don't like hot weather, but Sue does. Okay, so the meaning of does here is the same with Sue likes hot weather. Okay, so in the first sentence, there is a comparison between the speaker and Sue. Okay, so first one, the speaker don't like hot weather, but Sue likes that. Okay, so let's go now on the next example. Sue works hard, but I don't. Okay, so don't here have the same meaning of I don't work hard. Okay, so again, you can see there is a comparison between the two people, Sue and the speaker. Okay, and the last one is, do you enjoy your work? Yes, I do. Okay, so in your answer, yes, I do, you can see that there is the word do at the last part of the answer, because that is the right rule or right pattern how you answer the question that starts with do. Okay, so again, do you enjoy your work? Yes, I do. Okay, so let's go now on the next rule. Okay, so we use did for the past simple. You can see the topics of did as past simple on Unit 12. Okay, but here on this unit, we will review it, and we can use did on how to express yourself or how to compare two persons. Okay, so let's go now on the first example. Did you and Chris enjoy the film? Okay, the answer is I did, because the question begins with the word did, so you should answer I did, but Chris didn't. Okay, so this answer have the same meaning of I enjoyed it, but Chris didn't enjoy it. Okay, so again, look at the pattern of how to answer the questions that starts with did and do. Okay, so let's go now on the next example. I had a good time. I did too. Okay, so there is the first speaker telling that he had a good time, and there is another person who answered I did too. Okay, so I did too have the same meaning of I enjoyed it too. Okay, I enjoyed it too. Okay, so let's go now on the last one. Did it rain yesterday? So look at the first word here. It should be on your answer. Okay, so let's go. No, it didn't. Okay, so the question is asking if it if the rain or there was a rain yesterday, and the answer is no, it didn't. Okay, so I want you to review these topics so that you can answer correctly the exercises after this one. Okay, so we will continue our lesson, and let's go now to the exercises. Okay, so let's start the first exercise. 40.1. Complete these sentences. Use only one verb. Is, have, can, etc. or others, okay, each time. The first one is an example. Kate wasn't hungry, but we were. Okay, so I know that you know how to use these verbs in these sentences. Okay, now let's go now on number 2. I'm not married, but my brother was. Okay, so we used was here because of the past tense of the first statement or the first verb here that was also in past tense, married. So we will use the past verb. Okay, past tense of the verb is that was. Okay, so let's go now with number 3. Bill can't help you, but I can. Okay, so we use can here because the first one is in negative form. Okay, so negative form, and the second statement should be in passive one. Okay, so let's go now with number 4. I haven't seen the film, but Tom had. Okay, so you can see haven't here and then had. Okay, let's go now with number 5. Karen won't be here, but Chris will. Okay, so will, won't. And number 6. You weren't late, but I was. Was and then weren't. Okay, so let's go now on 40.2. Complete these sentences with a negative verb, like isn't, haven't, can't. Okay, so let's go now on number 1. My sister can play the piano, but I can't. Okay, so again, there is negative verb and the passive verb. Okay, so don't be confused how to use this. Okay, so let's go now number 2. Sam is working today, but I am not. Okay, so I am not working, but Sam is working. Okay, so let's go now number 3. I was working, but my friends weren't. Okay, so was, weren't. Number 4. Mark has been to China, but I haven't. Has, haven't. Okay, number 5. I'm ready to go, but Tom isn't. Okay, I'm or I am, and Tom isn't or is not. Okay, and number 6. I've got a key, but Sally hasn't. Okay, it means the I've is a contraction of I have. Okay, so have and has. Okay, so that will be all for today. So we will continue answering these exercises on our next video, but I want you to review Unit 40 so that you will not be confused how to use those verbs in positive and negative one. Okay, so see you next time. Bye!